everyone. So once wedding dates gets fixed, most of the people will be confused, or they'll be like wondering on whom to approach and what to do for their skin care or to improve their complexion. So for the perfect wedding look and beyond, we are offering wedding ritual services in our hospital for both bride as well as bridegroom. So myself, Dr. Poojitha, consultant dermatologist at Cutis Hospital, Bangalore. So today I'll be telling you all in detail about the bridal packages that are available in our clinic. So we have this customized or tailor-made services for the bride as well as bridegroom, which are crafted by our expert dermatologist. So it goes in 3 steps. The first step will be identifying what your skin needs. Like we have to assess your skin, look for the skin type, and we have to assess what your skin needs, or like we have to look for any blemishes or etc. what you're like, or any skin diseases you're suffering from. And the second thing is treatment. Treatment will be offered in the form of procedural interventions and oral therapies, and some topical creams will be given. And third step will be sustaining the glow or the benefits what you get from our treatment for a longer period of time by continuing the use of some skincare products like topical creams. So before we customize any of these packages for you, first we need to examine directly. So like once we examine your skin, we'll come to know exactly what and all services we can offer you. And after examining, one more important thing is the timeline or time duration, which means like how much time is left for you before the wedding. This time is very important because depending on how much time is left, we can tell you how many services we can offer, and the number of sessions of each service can be decided depending on this timeline. So it will be best if you visit us as soon as possible so that we can offer you maximum benefits. So now what are the facilities that are available in our clinic for a bride? So first we'll be tackling the basic skin issues like acne, seborrhea. Seborrhea means oiliness of the face, and if you have sensitive skin, all these issues will be tackled first. After this, the next step will be improving the complexion. Complexion can be improved with lasers or chemical peels. Complexion improvement includes we can improve your skin tone, complexion of face, along with we can reduce the pigmentation around your eyes, what you call as dark circles, as well as lip pigmentation. All this pigmentation can be reduced with the help of lasers and chemical peels. And then we have something called oxyfacial or hydrofacial. These are party facials or instant facials, which give you instant glow by hydrating your skin and by exfoliating the superficial dead skin, as well as it boosts the oxygen content of the skin cells. So after this, the next would be if you have excessive facial hair, so we have something like laser hair removal facilities. And again, the laser hair removal, you require multiple sessions to see the results. So if you have plenty amount of time, you can opt for laser hair removal, or if you don't have much of time, then we have some service like dermaplaning, which removes the fine hair on your face as well as the dead keratin cells on the skin. And then other optional services, like if you have wrinkles, we can do Botox, and if you require cheek augmentation, lip augmentation, or if you have a tear trough, what we call it as under eye depression, these can be targeted by filler treatment. And also we have hydration filler for people with dry skin, and people who have sparse eyebrows, or people who don't have a good shape of their eyebrows, then we have something called microblading, which will give you very thick and beautiful eyebrows. So now what are the facilities that are available for a bridegroom in our hospital? So first, the initial part of treating acne, seborrhea, the complexion improvement part, as well as the instant facials, everything remains same for both bride as well as bridegroom. For bridegroom especially, we have a special service like beard line shaping, that is the permanent beard line creation, which will be done with the help of laser hair removal. So this also requires a few sessions, at least initial few months of time is required for beard line shaping with the laser hair removal. After that, we have some optional services for bridegroom, like if you're suffering from baldness, or like if you have sparse hair, you can go for hair transplantation. But one more important thing about this is you should have at least a time gap of 8 to 9 months before the wedding, then you can take up hair transplantation. Or if you have a shorter time, then you can go for something called scalp micropigmentation. And other procedures like PRP to increase the hair thickness can be done, and other optional services like Botox, fillers, depending on your wrinkles and depending on your needs, can be done. So everybody dream about looking beautiful on their special wedding day. So if you're looking for that perfect wedding look, please visit our clinic. And if you still have any doubts regarding these packages, you can call us or you can mail us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.